There's my little bird I rescued, and I'm bringing him out here to Birdtopia, but he don't know how to eat. They got to learn all that stuff, I guess. I mean, look at all the water he's got. Poor thing. He needs to learn to eat like all the other birds. There you go. Pigeons look like adults, but really they're babies. They fall out of the nest, and it takes them about 3 months or 2 months before they can fly really good to get in the air and escape. So I want him to eat before I leave. He just hadn't figured it out yet. Better learn.